Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upload project files on GitHub. So first of all you need to create a GitHub free account, and after that here you can see create repository. You can go here and now give a name. For example, let me add Enable, and then here you can add some description. And if you want to keep your project private, then you can select this one, scroll down, and also you can include this file. Then scroll down, you can add a license. Then after that click here create a repository. Now you need to upload files, click here to add file, and after that you can create new file. You can upload the existing files. Now you can go and select the files from your laptop, and then select all of these files, then click on open button. After that click here commit changes, and then it is processing files. So here you can see files are uploaded, and now click on settings button. Then click on pages. After that you can select the branch, main branch, root, save. So now you can access your live website here. Simply you can click on this button, and after that you can add something here, and after that you can easily perform this action.